I can't believe you're finally able to fit me into your busy schedule.
Oh, what can I say? I'm in demand being the new girl and all.
Yeah, I guess I'll just have to cut to the front of the line.
My mother warned me about guys like you.
Oh, what kind of guy am I?
Mysterious.
I'm actually pretty straightforward. What you see is what you get.
Admit it. You got a little of that bad boy thing going on.
Is that what your friends told you?
Let's just say I'd been warned.
Hey, you stood me up the first time. Remember that?
That wasn't my fault. Cassidy needed me. She was freaking out.
And your mother, she ever warned you about girls like Cassidy?
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, if you don't know.
No, I don't. Cassidy's been a good friend. This isn't exactly the easiest school to fit into, considering everyone has a Malibu beach home and drives a Beamer.
Well, then you're in good hands. Besties with the most popular.
What's your problem?
I'm just surprised. A girl like you wants to hang out with a girl like Cassidy and her Cardassians.
I explained to you why I couldn't make it last night.
Yeah, Cassidy clicks her manicured fingers and you jump.
No, but when someone I care for needs me, I'm there for them.
Just don't come running to me when she gets bored of you.
What makes you think I would come running to you for anything?
Good. I wouldn't want you to. God, you're sexy when you're pissed.
You should see me when I'm really angry.